Hey there! So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have on our hands with the server storage. It seems like our storage usage is consistently hovering above the recommended threshold of 80%, causing some concern. Despite some efforts to trim down the usage, the levels keep fluctuating between 82% and 90%, indicating a persistent issue at hand. We've explored various avenues to identify the root cause, from analyzing top-level directories to considering unlinked but open files. But nothing conclusive has surfaced yet. It's time to explore a potential solution that might just be the missing piece to this storage puzzle. Now, focusing on the solution to our storage conundrum, we turn our attention to a key setting within MySQL, specifically targeting version 8.x. By tweaking the config file located at ecme.cnf and setting sync_binlog to one under the MySQL section, we can potentially mitigate the escalating growth in the varla MySQL directory. This adjustment aims to curtail the incessant creation of transaction files, ultimately preventing unnecessary space consumption. With this strategic modification in place, a simple restart of MySQL can set these changes into motion, potentially alleviating the storage pressure we've been experiencing. In conclusion, addressing the storage challenge on our server involves a thoughtful consideration of MySQL's configuration settings, particularly honing in on the sync_binlog parameter. By fine-tuning this aspect, we can potentially rein in the runaway growth within the MySQL directory and ensure a more optimized storage utilization. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any storage saving tricks you've encountered. Remember, a well-managed server is a happy server.